Come in, doctor.
Yes, come.
Assalamu alaikum, doctor.
Walaikum assalam. What's your name?
I am Hanifa.
How old are you?
11.
Okay, now tell me what's problem.
I have temperature and feeling cold.
Let me check. Take degrees. No, like this. It's right. Now, I'll check your temperature. Yes, you have temperature.
I have been feeling so pain in the left side of my chest since last night.
I have to test your chest. You have pneumonia.
Oh, doctor, I have pneumonia.
Don't worry, it's perfectly curable. I will give you injection, and if they don't suit you, I will prescribe you capsules.
Any restriction, doctor?
Take light and liquid diet, take medicine regularly, and have complete bed rest.
Doctor, I shall follow your instruction to recover soon.
Okay, surely.
Okay, see you on the next visit. Allah Hafiz.
Okay, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.